in your saying, see, you're way behind time. This is not 38, but it's old 97. You must put her in, set her on time. He looks round and says to his black greasy fireman, just shove on in a little more coal. And when we cross that white oak mountain, you can watch old 97 roll. It's a mighty rough road from Lynchburg to Dammel and a line on a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade that he lost his average, and you see what a jump he made. He was going down grade, making 90 miles an hour when his whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and scalded to death with a steam. Now, ladies, you must take warning from this time now and on. Never speak hard words to your true love and husband. He may leave you and never return.